Hey guys, today's video is going to be about this wood door lock installation kit. It's made out of plastic, but it's from Ryobi. I'm going to show how to bore a hole on the door to be able to install a door lock later on. This particular one I bought it from Home Depot. Right now it costs $19.99. I'm sure I paid more for that. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you what it looks like and how the job is to be done. First, you install it with a screw. You don't want to use big of a screw because when you bore the bigger hole over there on the to the side, left side of your screen, the screw is going to come on the way of the hole saw. So you want to make, I think I use about 1-inch screw, and it doesn't come with this kit. So you use that screw to hold this thing in place, to hold this kit in place, I should say. So I got screw number 2 in. That's all it takes, 2 screws, and you want to move it. You see, it's not falling off or anything because when you use the drill, you don't want this kit to fall on you or spin with the drill. So now I know it's sturdy and firm. So I'm going to go ahead and get the hole saw ready for the boring of a bigger hole. So I didn't use any special tool. I put the washer in, and then I hand tighten the hole saw into the bit, and now I have that. I got to get my drill. You could use any drill. I use Ryobi cordless drill, battery operated 18 volt. It doesn't matter. This particular job doesn't require too much of force or too much of energy. It all depends on the door. It's this thing. This kit is not going to work on metal. It's only for wood door or plastic or paper door. So I'm boring a hole. First I started off with low speed. Now I'm going to go on high speed because you want your startup to be nice and sharp edge around the hole. So once you get this drill going, what you have to do is hold the drill steady, and let the drill bit bore through the other side. And then once you are out on the other side, you're all good. You see, it's all nice and edgy. Everything looks great. If you watch this video throughout and you liked what you see here, please help the channel by subscribing and liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. Any questions or concerns that you might have, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below in the comment section. Install hole saw same exact way as the other one that we showed earlier. You have a drill, you get that through. Once you have it done, everything will be in place again. All you have to do is drill a hole through to install the lock cylinder. So this particular kit is install lock set and deadbolt or wood doors in 3 different steps. It includes door lock kit and operator menu. It also has a auto striker locator for measurement of free strike plate alignment. In this video, I have covered most of it. Its adjustable inserts are compatible with both 2/3/8 inch and 2 3/4 inch of standard bracket. Spade bit grade increase longevity of the kit. So you just want to be careful with the drill. You don't want to overforce it. Right now I have some smoking situation because the bit probably got overused. But look, even then I still have nice and sharp cut. It's a beautiful hole. The edges are nice and sharp. Once I remove the kit, you see. I want to give you a better view of what it looks like. It's just some, pieces of dust, wood dust, which is fine. This kit looks great. You see, no damage. The drill bit didn't cut into it. The hole saw was fine. You see the edges nice and sharp. Just want to be careful with doors like this. You don't want to put too much pressure where the door might actually break. It is made out of paper. And then you just install your lock as you would with any other door. Only other thing is once you get the lock installed, you want to watch the edges over here. If you need to cut, just mark it with a pencil. And once you mark it with the pencil, it will go right in. You probably have to go 1/8 of an inch into the door to make space for the door cylinder.